guys, again, turn 2, we're with Danny, a renowned driver, phenomenal cars. He's known for having a Super Trofeo. It was like a trophy?
It was a Huracan GT3 Evo.
Yeah, Evo. Beautiful car. I wish you still had it.
I do.
Yeah.
I do too.
Now he has a P Cup. This is like your second one?
Yeah, second.
Second P Cup. So tell us about it, my man.
So it's a 2016 991.1 GT3 Cup, heavily modified. So it has some GT America front bumper, front splitter, dive planes. These I designed and 3D printed.
Oh, no way.
Yeah, the carbon fiber nylon. It has the...
Dude, those are thick and sturdy.
Oh,
holy
yeah.
shit.
They've been on there for 2 years and they're solid.
Damn.
They're not going to break. They're heat resistant up to like 300.
Might get some emails about that one.
Yeah, they're awesome. And, fender vents to front downforce, basically. You're trying to extract air from the front.
Suck it all in, yep.
And then the big one is this new diffuser.
Center locking wheels. That's
center lock
sick.
wheels. So I just built this diffuser. Took way longer than I would have hoped, but it's a
it looks good.
Yeah, full carbon diffuser with flax fiber strakes, and there's a specific reason for the flax fiber for the strakes, but it's
It goes back there quite a bit.
Oh yeah.
Oh, so does that connect to the mid plate then?
Yeah. So the underbody is almost entirely flat. There's some
pockets.
Some pockets just for the mounting bolts and stuff, but it's all, I designed it in CAD, tested it in CFD, and this is the first day out with it, and it's flawless. So it brings the aero profile of the car more comparable to the 991.1 GT3R. And then
it sounds great, by the way.
Yeah,
like,
and then the exhaust is all custom too, so it has fully catless headers, and then I just had those pipes designed and welded and mounted and everything. So
I don't know if you've seen it, but it's a big ass wing.
Yeah.
Like, that's half my arm. That's how big that is. Oh.
A lot of downforce for sure. And then it has the GT America / GT3R deck lid, and all of this is trying to get the air go this way. Yeah, so it all works together.
Oh, it looks so good, man.
Yeah, it's fantastic.
What are your times looking like so far?
The best time I've done so far was a 138.
Damn.
And it should be better. That's without the diffuser.
Really?
Yeah. So it should be lower than that.
Wow. Are you tracking time today or no?
Yeah, I'm tracking time. The first session.
Take a look inside.
Yeah. The first sessions I was just using kind of old tires to make sure that all the diffuser worked and everything, make sure nothing fell off the car.
Dude, look at the cage design. That is sick.
Yeah, and it's so nice too. You got to feel this though.
Oh no, I felt it when I opened it. I was like, bro, there's no door.
Yeah, the door is like 5 pounds at most.
That is insane, man.
And it comes right off too if you need it to.
Oh really? Just quick bolt action? Ain't no f***ing way.
No, like
bro.
No bolts needed.
That's insane.
You got to hold it.
Dude, that's. Oh, you can use this for some hats.
Yeah, exactly.
Man, yeah, that's awesome, dude.
Yeah, riveting YouTube footage.
Yep. Gosh.
So I'm starting a new company. This is one of the first things that we're going to be launching. It's a carbon fiber manufacturing company.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, the company is going to be called Natura Composites, and primarily focusing on flax fiber. So this is the flax fiber you're seeing right here.
Got it.
So it's a natural flax fabric, for lack of a better word. It's just linen, and the benefits over traditional carbon fiber is it has like 30% stronger specific impulse prevention or absorption, for lack of a better term, than carbon fiber. So this stuff, weight for weight, the flax fiber can take impacts, like harsh impacts, better than carbon fiber. So that's why I made the strake itself out of it. It's a little bit heavier than carbon fiber, but it should be able to wear on the track a lot better. And then when you have
the curves.
So it shouldn't crack as easily. Yeah, it's a lot of work, but it's a lot of fun.
It's very well worth it.
That should be launching in the next month or so.
Oh hell yeah!
So just getting the first products ready.
Dope. You got any plans on buying anything else? Or just kind of keeping with the P Cup right now?
This is it for race cars. This is it. I have a 992.2 GT3 coming. paint to sample, ultraviolet purple. So that should be here in July, and then
If you ever get a second seater, we'll definitely get some footage in there.
I do have a second seat.
With you?
Not with me,
Oh, okay,
but
okay.
I do have one at home. I'll have it for the Good Times event.
Okay.
And it is life-changing. I don't want to oversell it, but it is truly
I've
life-changing.
been passed by it before, man, and it looks life-changing when you're going by. So
Yeah, you got to feel the G-forces.
Oh, dude, nah, I hope I get to.
Yeah, it's hard to believe,
Yeah.
honestly.
Well, thank you, my man.
Yep, absolutely.
I appreciate it. Lovely seeing you again.
Nice to see you.
How'd you do?
I went off.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
What happened?
It's a good one. I come around the corner. This guy was at almost a dead stop.
Oh,
I was going
shit.
to slam in the back of him. I had to go around him on the right.
Oh, no shit.
Yeah, I went off on the grass.
It's off turn one?
5.
5? Oh. I mean, at least you had some runoff there. Jesus.
Yeah, no.
Like, good lord. All right, Pat, tell us about your Porsche, man. I noticed this when we rolled in, I was like, yep, we're talking to him.
Well, it's 75 911S. Just put a motor in it. 3.4, 340 horse, 2,100 pounds.
2,100. Jesus, man. That is very, very light.
915 gearbox, fuel cell.
You got some R7s on there?
Yep.
Yep. Nice and sticky.
Yep.
Gosh.
Indeed.
Yep.
Just had a few wrinkles here this morning, but got it dialed in now. By golly.
You mind if we open up the door?
Yeah, go ahead. There's a little pull there.
Oh, nice. Oh, wow. Even light, man. You got no door on here.
Carbon fiber.
It's like an old pickup car now.
Little flimsy.
Yeah, no way.
Both
Jeez.
sides.
We were just talking to Danny about his pickup, and you guys basically got the same kind of door.
Ran the ECU right underneath the shifter there. A lot of guys go underneath the seat.
Yep.
I ran it right down the tunnel. So this.
It's very clean, man.
Thank you.
Did you do a lot of this yourself?
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
okay.
I built the motor the first go around, and then I decided to have Motorsport Racing. Kick it up a notch. Twin plug it.
Ah, dude, it looks so clean. How long have you had it out here before?
Oh, about 15 years.
15 years?
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Yeah, I got it in 2000.
This has been a work in progress. Same
yeah,
color?
I've got it in 2000, yep.
It's original color, sorry.
I just painted it 2 months ago.
Okay.
Yeah, this is the latest slate gray. Porsche's color.
Oh, you did not choose wrong, I'll tell you that. Damn, you have a gigantic fuel cell. Is this 17, 20 gallon?
It's got to be over 20.
Yeah.
I can go out here 8 times. I'm glad I put that little bottle in there.
Actually, this is a decent amount of weight up front too now that I think about it. So what, you're pretty stable around the track then, I'm assuming?
Yeah.
Yeah. Man.
I didn't want this hose to drain out over the tire.
Yeah, so what was happening earlier?
Well,
we noticed that.
I need a bigger reservoir here.
Yep.
And so once the brakes start getting hot, I don't want so I got a little bit of fluid in there.
Got it.
I just flushed the system, so I knew there was going to be some. I'm going to pull that out of there. But no, just a hot rod, just a little go-kart.
Oh, man.
Really happy with it now.
I wish you had a second seat in there. I'll tell you that. I wish you had a second seat
You
in
do.
there. Gosh. Oh, wow. Carbon intakes.
Yeah.
Dude.
Yeah. My buddy over there made them.
No way.
Yeah. Yep.
See, this is one of the reasons too why I wanted to start getting the showcasing out here, man, for like our community. Because, dude, there's so much potential. Everyone's doing something. Everyone's providing, giving to each other. Like, and this is one of the reasons, man. That looks so good too.
Really turned out
Man,
nice.
that looks so good.
Really happy with everything. I worked on it all winter. Just took my time.
Does he have his own business? Did it make these?
He's actually yeah.
Okay.
Auto C Enterprises.
Okay, dude, I might have to. I wonder if he has a card. I might have to talk to him.
He's right on the other side of that gentleman there in the white shirt.
Oh, okay.
His name's Colin.
Okay. Yeah, I might have to catch him. Yeah, that's beautiful intakes, man.
Yeah.
I was not expecting to see that over here.
Yep. But just getting it tuned up today.
You got any skid plates under there, or is it all just kind of free?
It's all free.
All free?
I had the big well tail on here.
Yeah. Oh,
and,
you did?
And a splitter.
Yeah.
And I just
too much?
I just didn't like it.
Yeah.
The
car feel kind of too restricted?
I just think it looks better. Here's another car I built, 911T, hot rod yellow. That's hot rod yellow.
That is beautiful.
Yeah, that's a '69 911T there.
Oh man.
Yeah, that one really turned out good.
Well, this turned out perfect.
Yeah. I really. Thank you.
Yeah.
Let's see if I got another picture of that wing.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah. That was just a little
I like
bit
the
lighter.
darker tone.
Yeah.
Yeah, I do like the darker tone.
Yeah, I called Porsche and said, hey, give me your latest color. So it's 3 base coats, 2 clear coats.
Yeah, I like how easy that is. Well, thank you so much, man. I appreciate it. Pat, right?
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes. Thank you, guys.
Oh, yeah.